Yeah man, welcome forward to Sandy and Bones TV, and we say update. You see it, and when we say update we mean anywhere from any place, you see me? Yeah man, and we are updating with Queenie and Wagwan and live said speed, you see me? But the one enough go for Queenie fans them, you see it, go for Queenie family and friends, you see it? Yeah man, she have burn a fire upon them and say yo, them a big her out still, but me say only thing I have to say, the lady are kind of ungrateful lady still now. John Star. And I say you treat family and friends, you see me? Yeah man, you have to come on social media, chat it out and not beg people know say them a beg you. So people don't stay on the lane and ask Queen if you nothing for she go embarrass you. Yeah man, remember to like, comment and share and subscribe to the TV. Yeah man, so anytime we have no new video drop, you can be the first one to get it right there. We have that to watch, isn't it? And yeah man, people better not go work for yourself, and if you can't work for it, just go and build without it, you see me? But yeah man, when I ask some people for help, rest people that are foreign. Yeah man, them will go on like I just a dirty habit when I have and I ask the things, you see me? But don't know we the out here more while and we know the situation, so we not pay them no mind, you see me? Yeah man, so people when they have no family, them are foreign, you see me? I better not ask them for no strength. Yeah man, I just do nothing up top. Big up on yourself. We forward now video and hear a Queenie about him husband with beating and long time story, all kind of things. You see me? Yeah man, remember to thumbs up the video and share it out, and you see, drop a comment before no go said speed.
It is. Oh, our battery dead. Tyler battery dead. Me say, are your husband alone, yeah? Can beat you up. Okay. But that's the thing though, I doesn't even have a husband that's gonna beat me up here. Maybe me rush more one or two times, but my husband not beat me. I have a nice husband, you know. My one problem, my major problem, not one problem. You know what's my major problem with my husband, yeah? He doesn't speak, fam. The moment I get loud, I said, do it. Why you never do it? So do it, and do it, and do it. You never hear a word. And it pissed me off. You got calm now, you start counsel, and then the counsel in the work, then you're going to church in the work. Then you, black on there, all right, both of them, and that no work. Then you go silent again, and that no work. Then you just call a blood and say, sometimes me not the house and me I talk to do it. 4 hours now, I say something to do it. And doing the answer back. I say, do it answer me. I'm going to go on and that still not work. I'm going to sleep, I'm going to wake up back and that still not work. I'm get up tomorrow morning and hear him say crazy. You know, me know I hear nothing. Blood tried so hard yesterday. Do so much and it not work. I hear him say crazy. You know, me and man now compete with you, you know. You see, you get another element there. Me not say nothing. And like, really? Sit down. Tell your something. You not have thing. I remember go and then you could don't call me no crazy man. Me don't name crazy, don't call me no crazy. Listen, no matter how you see me, my husband nice and him say crazy, get me some juice. Crazy, what? Anything when him say him say crazy, it nice, you know. See the moment me not in him and him come, me don't name crazy, don't call me no crazy. But crazy for true, and man him nice him can, but me not name man. Hey, you know what man said to me, see a cool bashment. He said about gangster. No, me look good you man. No, do your wife at me darling. I look a green. I wish I green ear this you know. I wish I ear. Boy, my daughter, I'm just a weird to something so. Boy, that's how they say if you live in a car, we shall have the whole or something and see them dead and gone left them. A dead man tell no tears. Yeah, the red ponytail and me that with you too, you know, fear. Yes, my love. I want me that talk say again, only for something I talk about. Anyway, I'm not stay here with you, you know. Because I'm going to call my husband at work now. But don't care, all who don't have husband. Somehow no can get husband, but the man them not married to no. It's not my fault. Let's say any girl want to see married, or for thank God for married girl. I'll send it out in the universe that soon the married time will come. Don't yeah. So long me wait for married 51 years. So, wanna use me as a prime example. Then if Queenie can married after she breed out 5 times plus the one where she dash her, and man still married to her, what saves me? I saw no look my life. One a dead na dash. This is it. Kada if me still sell bongo, if you not sell no money, come give me. Me still can't order here, but nobody now buy here from me. Them think me have be a music money. Them think me have. Wait, some my popcorn, some was not name again. Them think some have celebrity money, so through them some have celebrity money, them stop by here from me. But if you don't want here, me still can't order it. Oh, you want one man for marriage that you don't mind them? It work both ways. Them have to mind you and you mind them. Mining come in many different ways and category. It's not just money you use and mind people. You have to mind them business. You have to mind them intention. You have to pay mind to them. So that word mind is not just one meaning. When you not hear say on a mind man and think say money. It's not about money. It's like me being a wife now. When you become a wife, you have to submit to your husband. So there's certain things where my husband get away with because I eat the same instant me as a wife. But it's true though. So when I not sit down and talk about mind man, I've got a rich spirit, but I still not get the royalty yet. I still not get the celebrity money they make. Me just merely survive. Right now, I hide from around 20 years. Begging people at Jamaica and move on the blood. Money for send come going. I'm tired of blood. No, because every time I go to my little entertainment, you know, sit down and wait for my pay, and it is not nice. When I sit down and wait for my pay, when you ask me, I'm not gonna say it no. I'm gonna say yes, me I try, but I don't like to make promises. And then when me get my money, I have to say, me have things to do. Me want fly, me like travel. So me if you don't know my send come at Jamaica, come go, no. And then my business spoil. I hide from them, brethren. So right now, I have one heap of family where I wait for me, some friends, some beaches, you know, go man. You understand? So at the end of a good day, one of them messaged me this morning, but she can't hear from me, and then she tell me, one whole heap of bills to me. So listen to me, darling. You know why you cannot hear from me? Because I have 15 people where I wait for me for money. But I know it's not even 15. And when I hang up fair advice, I say around 20. Now tell me, if that sell. How much now when I think I can take up on the bird now, Jamaica? Who am I buy them fridge? Who am I stock them for? Honestly, I have no shop. Me not have no shop, but me for stock full of shop. And allow me, man. Love man, me a queen, I'm happy, and now become happy, for inna me like 6 every minute. Who auntie sick and the hospital, love me sick too. Yeah? Since the people at Jamaica, I don't when I go in a shop, me the artist, me the wife, me the celebrity, me the queen. Me not go in a shop, got teeth, no clothes can come go no. And me, nah take my money when I want for do my business and buy no clothes. So what that mean? I'm not getting anything from me. So if you cannot love me for whom it is enough, because I am not popcorn where is a rich mother. I'm only rich in spock. I sit down and watch internet. And because you know see me have whole heap of ear and I not even know the dead I left ear. So it's so crazy. But it's true. Oh no, watch me little hear them when I dress up. Those are my little surviving, man. I don't expect me to send my wig them come go. When Miss Gunna my wig when me wear. Oh no, not sister me a girl. One one do. At me flap. No. I am not gonna flap myself, yeah. Remember, I know me a queen, you know. My mother have 5 pitney. 4 boy and 1 girl. Me the only girl. Me the first one. 2 of the brother girl left 2. Alright? Them not take no set for me. My father gets 17 pitney. Me have cousin, me have auntie, me have classmate, me have fans. Expect me for go down. Rob Bill Gates. Because if you don't understand the realness of life, If me down on Instagram for people look with commercial money, cause sometimes when I use my commercial and not pay me. So me ask you know, one why me send money come at Jamaica so often behind 1 week you send £50, I get that one they get 80, that one they get 40. When you look at next 15, Lord, I don't want to be you lot friends, I'm not too begging. And when me there you have my bills to pay, me can't send come at Jamaica come beg on none. So what people not pay bills are foreign to allow me just enjoy the nice, beautiful queen and stop pressure me it's truth. So when you see me now answer on the phone, but I want to go to little love, but you don't want a source of love. And because you don't want a source of love, I just don't chat to them and listen. And it's not lie. If you look at my 3 phone them, all my phone them and I beg, me only cannot get my phone. Me's an artist, me's a celebrity, me's a wife, me's a queen, me's an all-purpose person. I have to have all different type of phone. Do not red eye and tell me say I can't give you no. I want my next phone them there. Can't give you no one of something them. Those are my little comfort zone. When I want the thing them. You have some, alright, me have some family. If them see me do bad, then shame. If them see me do good, them shame. Them not care about me, them just enough for them own shame world. Me have some family, them just love me for the bad, the good, the indifference, and them not care. And you have some, them don't business if you're rich or poor or you. Then you have them who itch up in your butt and them get a sweetheart just because them want them out your money where you not have. And I'm tired of it. Do you understand? You understand? I'm so sick and tired of it. My mother was, excuse me, BJ, a Christian Hush. Woman, my mother knows also my talk, yeah? My mother will push me out. Now call me and tell me say she want credit. Me know as queen on the favorite dog. Me for get up. Going to Jamaica National, go stand up wait for 9 somebody for sending a 10 bit. I want to get the £10 credit and I don't even get a £1,000 fee. I think so. Who wants send credit? Come gonna send credit. Come tell me. You know what? My brethren did send me some credit. That's how your brethren business. Don't worry me. Me's not no slave for honor. What my heart tell me for do, my heart tell me for do. Me have niece down there, me have grandniece, me have grandnephew. When my head tell me, I say me want to send this, go give somebody. Me send it, go give them. But when I go, but come a trick blood, somebody responsible and burden. When I go tell me, say them want glass. I can't hardly see in my eyeglass where government give me as much. So any problem